Hello everyone. First of all, I want to wish everyone a Happy New Year. Hope that this year will be better than last year. For me, last year was not good because I lost my father. But I hope that this year it will be much better. Today I'm going to show you how to make. I found this blanket on a book. It's an older book. It's a book from the 90s or the 80s, 90s. And I found this blanket for baby. And I thought of showing you how to make the stitch. It's very easy to make. I will just show you the stitch. I will tell you how many chains you have to start to make this blanket. It's very easy to make. You will see. And the stitch, it's a nice stitch, as you can see. So chains, you have to start with 151 chains. 151 chains and use a 4mm hook. So start by making 151 chains with a 4mm hook. So I made some chains, so I show you how the pattern has to be. As I told you, you make 151 chains to make the same one like this one. Now you go in the fourth chain. 1, 2, 3, 4 in the fourth chain, and you make a treble. And you have to make a treble in every chain that you have. So go in the fourth chain and make a treble in all the chains that you have. You continue until you arrive in the last chain. The trebles are ready, as you can see. Now we start the next row. We start with 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3. Now we turn the work around. We skip this one we skip it because we made the chains here. We go in the next one. You take the hook, you put it like this. You put it from behind, pull up a stitch, and you continue as the treble, like this. Now the next one, we make a normal treble. We put the hook here, and we make a normal treble. The next one, we're going to do the same like the other one. You put the hook from here, you turn it around from the back, pull up a stitch like this, and then you make a normal treble. The other one, a treble. The next one, you go from here, pull up a stitch from the back, pull up a stitch, and you continue as a treble. A treble, and the next one from here to here, pull up a stitch, and you make a treble. And you continue all the row like that. One a normal treble, and the other one you put the hook from here to here, and you pull up a stitch, and you continue with a treble. I'm at the last one here, where I have the chains, and I have to finish with a normal treble. With a normal treble. And that is the row ready, as you can see. Now, we make 3 chains, 1, 2, and 3. We turn around. Now, in this one, we have to make a normal treble. You make a normal treble, the first one, normal treble. And in this one from the back, like we did in the other row from the back. But in the other row, we started with 1 from the back, then 1 normal. Now we're going to do the opposite. We started with 1 normal and 1 from the back. 1 normal and 1 from the back. One normal and one from the back. And you continue all the row like this. The important thing is how you start. Here we started with the normal one, then one from the back, normal, and you continue all the row like that. We have arrived at the edge here, and the last one we do with a normal treble. Now we make 3 chains, 1, 2, and 3. We turn the work around. Now, the one before we started. The one before we started with a normal treble. Now we have to start from the back. We take this from the back. And now a normal treble. You have to alternate. One from the back, one normal. One from the back, one normal. Now one from the back. And one normal. One from the back. And one normal. And you continue all the row like that. You see how it comes from the other side? You continue all the row like that. We're going to start the next row. Always repeating this row. We start with 3 rows, with 3 chains. These 2 rows you have to repeat. Now, the one before we started from the back. Now, we're going to start with a normal treble. This one from the back. As I told you, always alternate. And this one a normal. From the back. And normal. And you continue all the row like that. As I told you, you have to be careful from when you begin. If you make it a normal or alternate, or from the back. And those 2 rows you have to repeat always. And you make it as long the length that you want. How much you started it, I told you, and the length you decide how much you want it long. Now I will tell you how to make the border. The border, we start with a chain. Now I'm going to show you on this side first. This side. You go here and you make a single crochet or double crochet, how you call it. You make a double crochet here in where you have this treble here. You make 2 double crochet, 1 and 2. Where you have this one, here you make 1. You arrive here and you make 2. 1 and 2. Here you make 1. And here you make 2. You continue like that over here. When you arrive at the corner here, you make 3 single crochet or double crochet in the corner, 2 and 3. And here you make a double crochet or single crochet in each chain that you have. You make a single crochet, double crochet in each chain that you have. Here in the corners you make 3, and here you make 2 here where you have the treble, and 1 here. 2 and 1, 2 and 1, and here 1 in every treble that you have. And as I told you, in the corners you make 3, 3. When you have finished, you will have this result. If you want to make the fringe, you can make the fringe too, like this. If you want to make the fringe all around, you can make it too. Hope that you, as you have seen, the stitch is not difficult to make. It's very easy to make. Hope that you understood what I told you that you have to do. For those who haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe so you see more videos of mine. Again, Happy New Year. I hope you have a good one this year. Bye for now.